Okay. Okay, thank you for tuning in today. I want to teach you something, as I said in the subsequent video. I'm going to teach you how to learn if you're having learning difficulty. I learned this from one of my mentors, Jim Wick. My regards to him. So what I'm trying to say is that if you're having learning difficulty, there is a way to solve your learning difficulty. I will call it Be Fast. Be Fast. B is an acronym. BEFAST. Be Fast. I'm going to take one of each of them differently. That is six different acronyms. Number one, B means believe. Let me tell you, if there is anything that can stop you from learning anything, it's your belief. Do you believe you can learn what you want to learn? If you don't believe it, it becomes difficult for you to become a master in it. If you try to learn what you don't believe in, you can't be a master in it. So the first thing if you're having learning difficulties, to believe that you can learn anything. Believe that everything is learnable. Then the next one is exercise. Exercise, let me tell you, as you move, your body grows. That's why they say that people with the largest brain is people that do jogging. Why? Because as they are doing it, their brain is expanding. The more your movement, the more your brain is improves. So whenever you want to learn, believe you want to learn, then exercise. If it's possible, stretch yourself, do some jog up and some gymnastics to awaken your interest. You know, in teaching and learning, we call it set induction, getting yourself ready for the lesson. Then after this E, which is exercise, we have F, forget. You ask me how is forget going to make you to learn fast. Let me tell you, the problem that people have is because they don't forget. When you read something that you don't know it, you know it more. But when they ask you, okay, what is this? Because you believe you're on your current knowledge. How should I learn this? No. Sometimes forgetting about what you know, it helps you to learn what you want to learn. Because the hindrance to learning a new thing is what you already know. You may not believe it, but I'm telling you sometimes. Like, for example, if you call a child that is born today and take that child to America, he will learn English faster, or to French, or to France, or to India. He's going to learn that language because that child doesn't know anything. So he believes in whatever people tell him. But most of the times, because of what you have known about some certain things, or what people have told you that is difficult, is this, you are learning that with the mentality that it is difficult. And the worst thing that can happen to somebody is to learn something from the point that it is difficult. It becomes difficult. But once you learn it from the point that it is easy, forget whatever you know, try to know more. That is another thing that helps you in learning. Then A is be active. Whenever you want to learn, make sure you're not feeling sleepy. Make sure you're not feeling busy. Make sure you are active, you are alive, you are healthy. Because once you are not healthy or you are not active, learning becomes difficult for you. So you must be active. Then number 5, I believe, is X, state. Let me tell you, learning is state dependent. What is the mood you are when you want to learn? If you are angry, you can't learn effectively. If you are moody, you can't learn effectively. You have to bring your state down to a state whereby you can be able to learn. When you open yourself up to that, you're learning. Then the last one is what we call teach. Let me tell you, when you learn something for the purpose of teaching another person, you learn it effectively. So when you want to learn, don't learn it because I just want to pass an exam, I just want to do this. No, learn it because if you want to, learn it because you have to teach it to another person. When you learn something with the people that I'm teaching somebody this, you learn it very effectively. Let me ask you a question. If you are learning maybe something that you're going to teach somebody, you make sure that you understand it. So when you learn from the point that you're going to teach to another person, you see that it will help you to learn it effectively. That's what I taught you in the last class about application. If you teach you that you're going to apply it, they're going to meditate and do it very well. Just like somebody that is in university, if he's reading a course because he wants to go into the field, it's different from somebody that is reading just to pass an exam. Because the person that is reading it to know it will have a practical knowledge and both or other things are needed. But if you're reading just a course that you don't want to practice it, you just read just to pass the exam. But whenever you are learning, learn to teach another person. You see that it becomes easier for you. Thank you. We'll meet in our next class.